There are many yoga poses that one can practice while sitting at their desk. What makes a yoga pose is having the mind gathered in the body. So depending on what you're doing at your computer, that may or may not be possible. But a good rule of thumb is to begin right where you're at. And if you're really in need of a good stretch, I'd recommend getting out of your desk chair, standing up, and even shaking off some energy. If you're stressed or you're feeling lethargic, just get your limbs moving a little bit. If you have to stay seated at your desk, I recommend sitting towards the front edge of your chair, elongating up through the spine, and even tilting your torso forward a little bit, such that your lower back elongates and your core muscles are engaged. From there, practice smooth, steady breathing, inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the nose. Also, as you maintain that seated posture, hold your body in such a way that there is alertness without tension and relaxation without dullness. This is what makes a yoga posture. There's also an entire form of yoga out there known as chair yoga. There's a wonderful resource of yoga online videos at yogavista.com that specializes in chair yoga, especially for people who sit at a computer. This can be a wonderful way to stay healthy as you go about your workday.